Hey, ako si Kuya DJ at sa video na to, ililista ko yung 3 favorite beginner DJ controllers ko for 2025. Tatlo lang yung pinili ko na controllers kasi ito yung mga brands na available sa Pilipinas. Maraming ibang DJ brands with good beginner controllers katulad ng Reloop for example, pero wala kasi silang local na distribution, so baka mahirap silang hanapin dito sa atin. Also, yung prices ng mga controller na to parating nang iiba, so ilalagay ko na lang sila sa description box. Okay? Tara! Una, ang pinakabagong controller sa list na to, ang DDJ Flex 2 galing sa Alpha Theta, formerly Pioneer DJ. Ito yung kapalit sa DDJ 200 na dating entry-level model and isa rin siyang 2-channel controller na may mini jog wheels, pitch faders, 8 performance pads, and 3-band EQs and filters kada channel. Meron din siyang tinatawag na Smart Fader feature that applies effects habang ginagalaw mo yung crossfader from one channel to another. May Smart CFX feature din siya, which lets you do combo effects using the color effects knobs here. It also works with a lot of apps for PC and Mac. You've got Rekordbox, you've got Serato DJ Lite, you have DJ by Algorithm, and Virtual DJ. Pero gumagana din siya sa iOS and Android versions of Rekordbox and DJ by Algorithm. So it's very flexible, true to its name. Yung malaking improvement nito compared sa DDJ 200 ay may onboard sound card siya. So ibig sabihin, pwede mo isaksak dito yung headphones mo, pati yung speakers, tapos may volume control sila sa gilid for both. May USB-C connection din siya dito sa likod for connecting to your laptop or smart device. Plus, it has Bluetooth capability for use with Rekordbox running on your smartphone or tablet. Though, be aware na may konting latency to sa playback, so you may want to use the wired connection instead. Okay? It's just there for the flexibility again. Yung downside lang sa controller na to is wala lang siyang onboard na loop controls na mahahanap mo usually sa mga Pioneer DJ controllers and CDJs. You'll usually find them on the upper left of the jog wheels. Tapos wala pa rin siyang browse knob pati deck load button. So that means you have to reach out for your laptop's trackpad. Yung ginagawa ng iba is nagbabaon na lang silang wireless mouse para dito. And that's something you can do too if you decide to get it. Alright, next on our list is the Hercules Impulse 300 Mark II. Very popular itong controller na to kasi abot kaya siya compared sa mga controllers ng Alpha Theta in the same price and feature set range. Talagang nga naman medyo mas mahal or mas premium yung pricing ng mga Alpha Theta controllers. Tapos yung layout pati yung controls nito is kind of similar to what you'd find on an Alpha Theta or Pioneer DJ controller. Magkabilaan yung channels na may jog wheels, pitch faders, 8 performance pads, 3-band EQs and filter, pati volume faders, and isang crossfader sa gitna, syempre. Meron pa nga tong gain knob sa taas kada channel para pwede mo i-adjust manually yung gain level ng kantang pinapatugtog mo. Useful kasi minsan either mahina or malakas masyado yung level ng kanta. Para hindi mo napapalitan yung volume fader setting, yung gain na lang yung pwede nating i-adjust pagdating sa ganun. May onboard sound card din tong Impulse 300 Mark II, pero yung pagkakaiba nito sa Pioneer or Alpha Theta controllers is hindi siya gumagana with Rekordbox. Instead, it works with D-Juiced and Serato DJ Lite. It also works with Virtual DJ and DJ by Algorithm. So, alam mo yun, if wala ka naman balak gumamit ng CDJs in the future, or wala kang pakialam sa Rekordbox, for example, this is actually a better option than the DDJ Flex 2, in my personal opinion. Finally, our third controller is the Hercules DJ Control Mix. Ito yung pinakamura pati pinakamaliit na controller dito sa list na to. And I think it's a great gift for those who want to take up DJing pero ayaw gumastos. It comes out at just under 6,000 pesos for this device. May mini jog wheels siya, very cute, pati mini pitch faders and 4 performance pads per channel. Tapos may combination filter bass knobs din siya. It works with DJ by Algorithm and Virtual DJ. Meron din siyang USB jack for connecting your laptop or smartphone and tablet. Tapos, pwede rin tong Bluetooth connection kung gusto mong gumamit ng wireless to your smartphone or tablet or other device that has Bluetooth connections on board. Wala tong onboard sound card, but it does come with a DJ splitter cable that you can connect to your device, tapos dun mo ikakabit yung speakers mo, pati yung DJ headphones. Ngayon, kung gusto mo gumamit ng Serato DJ Lite, you can go for something like the Numark DJ to go to Touch or yung mas lumang Hercules controller called the Hercules DJ Control Starlight. They basically have the same form factor and more or less the same controls layout, Kaso dahil mas luma sila na devices, baka mahirap maghanap ng brand new dito sa atin. In which case, subukan mo na lang maghanap ng secondhand sa FB Marketplace or sa Carousel. So yun na, ang 3 of my favorite beginner DJ controllers for 2025. Let me know kung ano yung favorite beginner DJ controller mo sa comments and kung may iba ka pang gear suggestions for new DJs. Ako si Kuya DJ, kita-kita tayo sa next video.